Okay, the tooth that we are doing today is the 1.5 DO cavity for Composite Class 2 restoration. So we'll show you how to put the sectional matrix system. So put first the band, and you need to make sure that when you do if you are the one who is doing the cavity, you need to make sure that the contact is cleared on both buccal, lingual and gingival. So after putting the band, try to put that part of the band try to adjust the band to come actually in this. The middle of the band will be on the marginal ridge of the adjacent tooth. Okay. And then put the wedge. As I said, there are actually 3 types of wedges usually come with it: small, medium, and large, color-coded ones. So check maybe the medium one and see if it will go, and you can adjust using another one if you need larger one. And then you can use the clamp holder to hold the ring and put it there to hold your band. So the function of the sectional matrix band, sorry, not the band, I mean the ring, is actually holding the ring, holding the band, and also it causes some separation between the teeth, which gives a very good contact. Okay, after you put it, try to push it down toward the gums, and make sure that your wedge is also going in. It's actually secure there. Okay, after you finish doing that, you check with the probe that if you like possibility of leakage down here with the probe, because we are using flowable on the gingival seat, so we don't want to get any leakage at this part. Also, there is some, you will find here and here, there's tiny gaps that might get excess. So what I usually use is Teflon tape. So I got like small pieces of Teflon tape, and I try to pack it inside. When you use Teflon tape, try to like put some water in the instrument that you are using, which will actually facilitate it won't actually stick to the instrument if you use some water. So with a perio probe or with a flat plastic instrument, you can use to push some of this Teflon tape to make sure that you won't get actually push the band toward the tooth to avoid getting any excess there, which will help you during the finishing, that you won't spend much time during the finishing part. If there is excess, you cut it, and you can do the same on the other side. Also, the instrument bit wet with water, and